A very happy morning, students. So we are ready with another topic of the chapter algebra. In our previous video, we have discussed that how to find out the operations which are present in a given expression. An expression has been given and we have to find out what type of operation or what the different types of operations are being used here. Okay. Now, after understanding the expression, we have to understand if suppose two different variables are given and we have to find out what is the relation between these two. So, for that question, we are going to deal with a particular topic right now. You see here, the question is find out the rule that connects the two quantities in the following table. So, two quantities you can see right now, one is A and one is B. And certain values of A and certain values of B are given, and we have to understand that how these values are connecting with each other. Okay, so first let us see the connection. What the values are given, first let us check. So first see here, for A it is given 10, then 9, then 8, then 7. These values are there, and for B it is 8, 7, 6, 5. So let us check what is going on here. When A is 10, B is 8. Means if you see the difference is of 2, 10 and 8. When A is 10, B is 8. When A is 9, B is 7. So here also you see if we find out the difference, it is still 2 here. In the third question, let's come. When it is 8 in case of A, it is 6 in case of B. So here again we see the difference is 2. And here also 7 and 5, the difference is 2 only. So in all cases, we can find out the difference is 2 between A and B. So we can understand the relation between A and B here. When whatever the value of A is given, if I take out 2 from there, I will get the value of B. You see here, whatever the value of A are given, if you see all the values of B are just 2 less than the value of A. It means we found a relation. What we found that if we take out 2 from A, we will get B. So you see, we have found the rule which connect A and B. If we take out 2 from A, we will get B. Or there is one more way of writing. If we give 2 to B, we will get A. Like if we add 2 to B, 2 plus 8 is 10, 2 plus 7 is 9, 2 plus 6 is 8, 2 plus 5 is 7. That means if we add 2 with B, we will get A. So either of any way, whichever is comfortable for you, you can write. But the main thing is that we have to find out the relation between A and B. So what we can write, this is one way. Either you can write like this, first option, or in case of second option, you can write B plus 2 equals to A. So I am giving you the liberty to write any of these two. Both are correct. Either you can take out 2 from A, you can also connect that rule, or you can add 2 with B and get the value of A. You can also connect in this way. So right now this is one of the way which right now I have shown. Now let us deal with one more question. Okay, it will be a little tougher so that we can understand how can we connect more different type of expressions. See, here x and y, two variables are given. When x is 4, y is 14. When x is 5, y is 17. When x is 6, y is 20. When x is 7, y is 23. Let us go with difference right now. Between 4 and 14, the difference is of 10. Between 5 and 17, the difference has been increased. It has increased to 12. That means here we cannot follow addition or subtraction. So the rest operation, that means either we have to go for multiplication or division. Okay. So first of all we will check what is the difference. Through that only we will try to find out the solution. And if it is not possible, we will choose the other way. So here in this case, 4, 14, 5, 17, obviously addition subtraction is not working. Let us see. If we multiply 4 with a particular number, whether we will get 14? No, 14 doesn't come in the table of 4. Because 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So it means that only multiplication will not work. It means either we have to add something with multiplication or subtract something with multiplication. Let us check. So if we multiply 4 into 3, it will be 12, and 12 plus 2 will get 14. So 4 into 3 plus 2, This is one option. Let us see into 3 and plus 2 whether it will work with others also or not. So 5 into 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 17. Yes, it works. Let's check with the other question also. So 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. 18 plus 2 20. Yes, we are getting this one. So 7 into 3 is 21 and 21 plus 2 is 23. So we can see this applicable in all the cases. So right now we got a rule that if we multiply x with 3 and then add 2, we will get y. Yes. So what we can write here, if we multiply x with 3 and add 2, we will get y. So in this way you can check for any of the table. If any kind of table is provided to you, you have to think that through which operations are they connecting. Are they connecting with addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, or is it a combination of more than one? As right now we have seen, we have to first multiply and then we have to add. So it can be anything. Now it is totally up to you that how efficiently you can take these questions. Okay. So I hope this question is very much clear to you. You can understand if a particular table is given and how can we connect to one more variable. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.